Are you looking for the best pen display tablet? In this video we will look at some of the best pen display tablet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Gammon PD 1560. 6-inch display 1920x1080 HD resolution pen holder and 8 nibs adjustable stand for the perfect position and pen angle. The Gammon PD offers incredibly accurate pen pressure which allows for smoother, more natural lines. With easy slide pen work and 10 customizable pen features, you have better control of your line work. This tablet is a win amongst professionalists for digital drawings and graphic designs. However, the built-in educational tutorials make it perfect for amateurs as well. As an added perk, the tablet includes an embedded signal interface. This avoids the issue of signal dropping and fine lines being interrupted. The tablet is compatible with most major drawing software, working on Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and Illustrator. Number 2. Wacom DTK 1660K0 A Cintiq 16 drawing tablet with screen. 6-inch display 1920x1080 Full HD display slimline display balance pen that is easy to navigate. Wacom is a renowned graphic design tool, supplying everything from pens to display pads. This pad is easy to set up on your laptop or computer for when you're ready to get your digital drawing experience started. This particular tablet is best suited for the Adobe suites, such as Illustrator and Photoshop, although it can run on a number of other programs such as Clip Studio Paint and Coral Suite. The Pro pen that comes with the pad is extremely sensitive and requires a low activation force. As a result, it recognizes the lightest brush strokes, offering amazing control and precision on Photoshop. The display is built for creativity. With an anti-glare film, scratch-proof material, and reduced parallax, nothing stands in the way of you and your creative projects. Number 3. Wacom Canvas Pro. 6-inch display 1080x1920 HD resolution anti-glare glass panel richer color gamut. This is undoubtedly one of the best graphic drawing tablets for creating animations, using Photoshop, and working on realistic, artistic pieces. With 6 buttons and a touch screen bar, you can format the buttons to your preference. This not only enhances your design ability, but increases your productivity. Adjust the size of your canvas, the texture and shape of your brush, and enlarge certain aspects of your artboard at the touch of a button. The tablet comes with a tilt function, battery-free stylus with an ergonomic design, making it enjoyable to create with. The display on the canvas is magnificent and able to show 16.7 million colors vividly. With the anti-glare, laminated glass screen, your eyes are better protected in extended periods spent staring at the display. Number 4. Simban's Picasso Tab 10-inch drawing tablet. 10-inch display 32GB storage Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active palm and palm rejection. If you're a beginner, there's no need to purchase top-of-the-range products. However, this is a tablet that's rated highly and extremely cost-effective. Designed with beginners in mind, the drawing tablet features a pre-installed Autodesk Sketchbook app. This app can also be used for taking notes in meetings, classes, or lectures. Although the tablet connects to the internet, you don't need to have a connection when you're not working on a software application. This means that you have the power and freedom to design at any time, making it one of the best portable drawing tablets. The IPS HD screen displays images in crisp resolution and clear line work. With high storage space, users can download a number of design apps from the Play Store to use when needed. The tablet also features a camera, which allows you to snap your own images and edit them directly.